Guys, running Kimono here. So, this is, believe it or not, an $11.40 money maker today over at Rite Aid. We're going to talk about it in a quick second. We also have some Walgreens and Dollar General towards the balance of the video. So if you don't have a Rite Aid, just scrub the video, scoot towards the end of the video, and we have some more info for you. Okay, so this is a really fantastic deal. Shout out to Ravi. He did mention it earlier in the week, but I just didn't really have time to get out to the store till today to really pursue this deal. There are some Ibotta rebates for $1 back for all these different toothpaste, plus a really valuable $3 in-ad flyer coupon. So you don't even need manufacturers for this one. So this is the first one, which is $1 off the Colgate Total SF. You can do it up to 5 times. So that's why I have like so many tubes of toothpaste. I just wanted to max it out. We have the Colgate Optic White, $1 back. And again, the limit is up to 5. So like, how fantastic is that? And then the best of the three, if you have a gold discount, is this guy, which is the Colgate Max Fresh. $1 back, and you can do a limit of 5. As you can see, it says 1 day left. So you're either going to have to do this today or tomorrow if it's still around. Ideally today, if you might have the same rebates as I on Ibotta, just go and make it happen because this is such a sensational deal. Okay, so the Colgate Max Fresh, this is what the $3 coupon looks, the in-ad flyer, top left. This guy with your gold discount is a little bit less. And a gold discount is if you've spent $1,000 in the last calendar year, you will get 20% off of all merchandise. So with your gold discount, the Colgate Max Fresh is $3.03. Subtracting that $3 in ad, you're left with paying 3 cents out of pocket, dollar submission to Ibotta, making it free, plus a 97-cent moneymaker. And you can do this a limit of 5 times. So there you have it. Okay, now we have the Colgate Total SF, sugar-free. This guy rang up for exactly $3.50, even with my gold discount. So, $3.50. I didn't have any manufacturer coupons on me, guys, so I had to pay 50 cents for each tube. Ibotta's giving back $1, so it made it free plus a 50-cent moneymaker, and the limit for this is up to 5 times, so $2.50 moneymaker. You can't turn that one away. And then the last one is my favorite, the Colgate Optic White. With your gold discount, I think this guy was $3.19. So the same thing. I grabbed 5 of those. They're a $3.19 per. Subtracting that $3 in ad, you're paying 19 cents, $1 back from Ibotta, making it free plus an 81-cent moneymaker. So the limit for that is 5. And just to explain how I did this, guys, I did 3 separate transactions because the line limit for the cash register is that it can take up to 7 identical coupons. But because I wanted to get 15 tubes of toothpaste, I had to break it up into 3 transactions. So I bought 5 of the Max Fresh in one transaction, 5 of the Optic Whites in the second transaction, and then the Total SF, 5 of them in the third transaction. If your store will only allow you to use one flyer coupon, obviously you can't get this deal, but most stores will let you use up to 4. So like, why not push it? This is just money making toothpaste, especially that the Max Fresh one, like a 97-cent money maker. That is unheard of and unreal. Again, shout out to Ravi for talking about this in a video earlier in the week. It is just a tremendous deal. The Black Friday deals will be starting tomorrow, which is the 26th over at Rite Aid. So the 26th to the 28th. And usually they pull out all the stops, but this is a smaller and a quieter ad compared to other years. Everyone is saying it across the board, but hey, there's still some deals to be had and found. The first thing that we are going to talk about is the top right-hand corner. It says earn $15 in bonus cash when you spend $50. This is one that you have to scan from your phone, or they might email it to us. And it's 1 per store account, and you can't use it in concert with gift cards, Rite Aid photo services, or alcohol. So just to note that. But hey, you know, if you can get up your basket up to 50, you're going to get back $15 in bonus cash. So that is nothing to sneeze at. And remember, 1 per store card. And then these can't miss at the bottom of the front of the flyer. 3 freebies. The Crunch Butterfingers and Baby Ruth, that's a 1 per store card. So you buy 2 for $1, get back $1 of bonus cash, making it free after bonus cash, once per store card. Same thing for those Santas, but the Conair, $3, you would pay that and get back $3 in bonus cash. The limit for that one is 2. Now, this is one that kind of interests me, the Home Depot gift cards. You will buy a $50 gift card and get back $10 in bonus cash. And the limit for that is two. It's the usual suspects like the Burger King, the Wendy's one, Gap. Spend 50, get back 10. Hey, it's not the worst. And if you want to, keep these for a gift for the holidays, it's something to do. And yeah, it's not the worst little deal. And I'm going to be getting some of those Home Depot ones tomorrow. And then this self-care, Ravi was talking about it, the Max Freeze, $7 of bonus cash when you buy two. And there's also some sort of monthly thing. It's like $5 for each. The comp seed is also fantastic. When you buy two of them for 10, you get back $5 of bonus cash. And IBOTTA also has a rebate for that. So there's different deals to maneuver to get you to $50. Really check out Ravi's YouTube page because he really gets into the details on the best deals for Black Friday. And he also mentioned this, which is a 7th generation, some sort of laundry soap, $10.99. $5 of bonus cash when you buy two. And I think he was talking about a possible Catalina you would get back too, like a couple bucks back or something like that. He's obviously going to try this deal, and once he's tried it, I probably will follow and do the deal like the next day. But this is also quite fantastic. Okay, so over at Walgreens, these showed up last night and you could not load them, but today, like this morning, I could load them to my store card. Go to your digital coupons folder of your Walgreens account, and they should be at the top. They're not in a specific folder. And how I think this will work, this is for next week. It'll be $5 off anything that's $5 in the store, $10 off anything in the store. There is no fine print that we can get into right now, but because they have a new system, they always try to throw in some sort of like, hey, aren't we the greatest? And they did this a couple years ago when they changed things around. It was like 5,000 points when you spend $5. So I think this will be very similar to that. So we'll have to wait and see. And again, this is starting next week, but load them right away if you might have them. This is also your mileage may vary. Not every card will get these coupons. Sorry, guys. Tomorrow morning, first thing, I was trying to look for extra deals on Walgreens today, their website, and it was really hard to do. But if you look at the top of the ad, it said Thursday, November the 26th, check back. And if you look, there's that Disney doll, and I know at CVS, she's like $6.99, some crazy price for a $20 doll. If you were in search of one of those Disney princess dolls, that might be something to look out for. And there's some headphones there, and then there's a Conair hot tool. Usually the hot tool in past years is like $10, then you would get back like $5 of Walgreens cash or something crazy like that. So tomorrow morning, we will have to check the ad and see what pops up, because it would be really nice if some of this stuff would just like materialize into cheapies or freebies. So keep an eye out for that. Okay, so over at the Dollar General today, I had one store card left with the digital coupons that were giving freebies. Now, the only items that it's working on as of today, which is Wednesday the 25th, is the two Lay's chips, the tubes, and they're $1 a piece, and there's a $1.50 coupon, making it 50 cents for the two, or 25 cents per tube of Lay's chips. And the Osceola, it's a 2-pack of these sponges. They're $1, and it would shake it out to free. So after the two digital coupons, which is $1.50 off and $1 off, $3 of merch, you're paying 50 cents for the three plus your tax. So it's not the worst little deal. And just to give you a quick little peek, this is what the digital coupons look like. So you have the $1 for the Scotch Brite Osceola sponges, and then $1.50 off 2 Lay's products. The Welch's coupon for that little baby drink, not working anymore. So if you got in on that deal earlier in the week, fantastic. It's not attaching anymore. And just to show you in the store, like, where do I find this stuff? They have a dollar spot for a lot of food. It's towards the top shelf. So that's where I found it at this one store. So I went with barbecue because, I mean, I think barbecue chips are really great. So just grabbed 2 of them. I did this deal like about an hour ago. No problems, no issues. So there you have that. And then the sponges, in the section where they have the dish soap, that good stuff, the cleaner, they have a little area for sponges and like scrubbing pads and all that stuff. This is towards the bottom. And even though it doesn't have the word Scotch Brite, it's the same company. It's just a different sponge in the line. It's called Osceola. And so they have this little green and yellow pack. There's two, or it's a blue one. So it's either or. Use your Dollar General app to scan to see if it's attaching. And it just shakes it out to a nice little freebie. And we haven't had a freebie for sponges, so that's why I specifically went in the store today to brave the crowds to get this, because I really wanted some more sponges. Okay, guys, so before I take off, if you love the Gain line, the Dollar General is definitely the place to be buying this detergent and cleaner and all that good stuff. I posted a video on Tuesday evening, but in case you missed it, I will link the video at the very end. It's using digital coupons, a little bit of magic to get like a $30 basket down to like really inexpensive $3.33 for a massive thing of fabric softener or Gain flings. It's totally the way to go. So in case you missed it, video linked here at the very end. Obviously, Saturday the 28th is the best deal to get in on some of the biggest savings with the double stack. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.